Installation is free. The device and everything is pretty much free. So the first way you will find out if MTN Fibre is available for your area is using the MTN website, which I'm going to add to the description of this video. Simply put your address there and find out if fiber is available for your area. So that's one way you can find out. Another way you can find out if MTN Fibre is available for your area is by checking the poles in your area. The access points, they usually have this fiber access points around some parts of town. If you're in places like Lekki, Lagos, for example, you see it's like a box on a pole in your area. If you see that box, you can easily tell that it's a fiber access point. It might be for MTN or for Fiber One or another internet service. I am also going to show you guys a video of what that looks like as well outside your street. So if you see that around your area, just know that fiber is available for your area, but it might not be MTN. It might be Fiber One, it might be another one. Now, let's assume you've gone to the MTN's website, you've entered your address, and they said that, you know, your address is available. How do you set up MTN Fibre? It's simple.